Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to view Gemini activity on iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Google Gemini app on your iPhone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your activity data. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account settings page. From here, find and tap on the option labeled Gemini Apps Activity. This section stores your recent interactions and usage history within the app. After opening it, scroll down to view your activity. You'll be able to see a list of your recent actions, including prompts, responses, and other interactions you've made using Gemini. This helps you track how you've used the app and review past activity. If needed, you can manage or adjust your activity settings directly from this section, depending on your preferences. So that's basically how you can view Gemini activity on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.